Hello, I'm Natalie. I'm a designer and bag maker. I'm making bags for those who like crafts, sewing, quilting, and these bags are also good not only for that, they're also good for traveling, as a diaper bag, and more. Okay, I'm gonna show you what these bags are. They are made of K-Facet Collective Fabrics, which is Philip Jacobs' design, beautiful large flower prints design. Look how beautiful they are, and I think they look very, very beautiful on my bags. And see how many options you have here. You can have this one, these. You can cut them, and every bag will look differently with different flowers. This color and this color the same, but this one different. And you can also notice how the color of the strap can change the look of them. Also look at the zipper. Right here I chose the neon green color. I think it looks pretty right here, but for this one I was trying to find matching blue zipper. So now let's go and see inside and see what's inside of the bag. First of all, I want to tell you this bag has total 18 pockets, so you can organize all your stuff nicely and put everything in this bag. Just remember which pocket contains what, and when you do, you will appreciate how good this bag is for. Okay, when I designed this bag, I was thinking about carrying it on a carry-on bag, on a roller cart. See? So, to put it here, I made a pocket on the back. Well, actually the pocket is right here, but this one is a sleeve, so you can take it off, and when you need it, slide it on the handle and put it back on. So you can carry this bag on your shoulder. Now, I want to show you what we have inside the bag. There is a separating zipper on the top. You keep everything closed. Undo zipper, and here are the snaps. We unsnap the bag, and look at this. We drop this side, and here is an ironing pad. It's a small size ironing pad, but believe it, it's big enough and good enough for a small project where you need miniature iron like this, or like this. There is enough room to keep your iron inside, and it's good enough to use this ironing pad for projects where you need your iron used. Large pockets, 2 large pockets, zippered. They both are the size of magazine. You can keep your magazines right here and even behind in between pockets. Or also any printed pattern A4 size will go here nicely. You can also keep cutting mat this size or this size, just good enough. The other good thing about the bag, the pockets are suspended, means they're not sewn to the bottom. So you have some extra room under the pockets, and you can keep like ruler at least 6-inch wide under the pockets right here. So anything flat you can put right here, and it will also make sturdier your bottom, which is good. Right here in the front pocket you can see elastic loop. You can slide down here your pencils, markers, roller cutter, scissors, and any other tools. Right here in between the pockets I added 2 more these side pockets and also mesh pockets. I'll show you closer. 2 larger size and 4 smaller size. So you have only 6 of mesh pockets with elastic on the top. And on the front pocket, you can see symmetrical small pockets here and vinyl badge attached to it where you can keep business cards or any card. Here's another mesh pocket. I like matching colors with the mesh for any fabric, different fabrics, and I have all kinds of different colors of this mesh. So you can keep wonder clips or smaller size items here, and another small pocket which would be good for like your personal items like cards or car keys, anything. I also added these small vinyl bags which like Ziplocs, but they have this loop, and what I like about them, they are colorful. This color is matching pretty good this fabric, but I also have 12 different colors of these clear vinyl bags with colorful tops. I have them in this size, which is 4 by 10, and I have bigger size, a little bigger, 6 by 10. You can find them in my QuiltessaNatalie store or in my Etsy shop, QuiltessaNatalie. I guess that's it. I also wanted to tell you that I have a pattern for this bag. It's called the Ultimate Carry-All Bag. You can find the pattern in my QuiltessaNatalie store, also in my Etsy shop, QuiltessaNatalie. You can also find supply kits for these bags, and my kits are in just multiple colors. I have different colors for the straps, or these vinyl bags, the elastic and mesh pockets. So here's my card, and you can find me as QuiltessaNatalie on Pinterest, on Etsy, on YouTube, on Instagram, Twitter. So please subscribe to my channel, like it if you like it, please, and please visit my Etsy shop, QuiltessaNatalie. I will be gladly taking orders, and I love making these bags, and I will make any bag for you from different fabrics, even from your own fabric. Please visit my Etsy shop, QuiltessaNatalie. Find me as QuiltessaNatalie. Thank you.